everyone, it's Tamara Agua, and today I'm going to share with you guys how to put together a DIY spa themed Mother's Day gift basket. I was going to share something else with you guys, but then at the last minute I remembered Mother's Day is around the corner and I decided to share this video instead. Guys, with all the craziness going on for the past couple of months, a spa themed gift basket is a nice way to remind your mom to pamper herself. So gift baskets are usually fun to put together, and me personally, I find it very thoughtful and adorable for the simple fact that you had me in mind while putting the basket together, and I am usually very grateful to receive one of these. In this gift basket, I have made a sugar and salt scrub, a bath soak, a body balm, a body oil, a hydrating facial mist, a cinnamon lip scrub, and a lip balm. I'm going to show you guys how to make all these spa items, and I'm also going to show you how to put this basket together. By the way, aside from some of the ingredients that I used in this video, most of the items that I used to put this basket together you can get from the pound or dollar store, and if you're watching from Nigeria, you can also get them from any local market. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So guys, let's get this party started. For the emulsified sugar and salt scrub, you will need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of pink Himalayan salt. You can substitute with white sea salt or table salt, but just remember to keep the measurements accurate. You'll also need 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of beeswax. You'll need 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of emulsifying wax, half cup or 120 grams of sunflower oil. You can substitute with any oils that you have. You will need vitamin E oil, or you can pop the oils from 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. You'll need essential oils. I'm using eucalyptus and lavender. You'll need preservative, and you will need 1 teaspoon of honey. To make the scrub, add all your waxes and butters into a mixing bowl and then melt using a double boiler or the microwave. Today I decided to use the double boiler method. Once the waxes and butters have melted, add your oil and keep stirring till everything is completely melted and incorporated. The next step is to keep stirring the mixture till it cools down. What I did was I would stir the mixture and I will keep it aside for about 20 minutes, and then I'll go back and stir again and keep it aside. And I repeated this step a bunch of times till I finally arrived at this consistency. Because as the mixture cools down, it starts to thicken up. Then you add your sugar and salt gradually and mix them in. Then you add your honey, and 5 drops of vitamin E oil, up to 5 drops of preservative, a few drops of essential oils, and then you mix thoroughly. At this point, you can transfer into your choice of storage container. Here you go, guys. This is your emulsified sugar and salt scrub. Most of the ingredients I used in this scrub can be found on Amazon or eBay, and if you feel like the ingredients in this scrub is too much for you, or you can't find some of the ingredients, don't worry. I have other videos on simple body scrub recipes, and I suggest that you check them out. To make the bath soak, you'll need 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt crystals. Again, you can substitute with white sea salt but not with table salt. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It is also known as sodium bicarbonate. You'll need essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, but I decided to use a blend of these 3 oils. The tea tree oil for its antibacterial effect, the lavender and eucalyptus for their calming and relaxing effect, and they smell wonderfully. You'll also need a carrier oil. I'm using olive oil. So guys, in a mixing bowl, pour in your Epsom salt, your sea salt, and your baking soda and mix them together. Then you add your essential oils. I added about 1 teaspoon of the olive oil, and then I mixed everything together into the salt. I actually went back and added up to 20 more drops of the lavender oil because I wanted the lavender scent to really pop. After mixing, transfer into your storage jar of choice, and here you go guys. This is your bath salt, and this recipe can also serve as a food soak salt recipe. So yeah, this is actually a 2-for-1 package deal. For the body balm, you'll need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 40 grams or a 1/4 cup of argan oil, 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. You'll also need 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of beeswax. As you can see, add all the items that I mentioned in a mixing bowl and then melt in a double boiler, or you can use the microwave. After melting, allow to cool down just a little bit, and then you add a few drops of essential oils and up to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. The reason I am adding vitamin E oil is to prevent the oils from going rancid over time. Mix everything in and then transfer into your storage container as fast as possible. This recipe can serve as a lip balm as well as a body balm. So as usual, this is a 2-for-1 package deal. Anyways, transfer into your lip balm container and do not close the containers with the lids. Set the balms aside and allow them to cool down before closing them. Moving on, the next item is the body oil. You will need 1/2 cup or 100 grams of olive oil, 1/4 cup or 40 grams of grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of argan oil. You will also need vitamin E oil, essential oil, and I'm using sweet orange essential oil. What you need to do is pour all the oils into a mixing bowl, add up to 20 drops of the essential oils and 5 drops of the vitamin E oil, and then stir till all the oils are completely mixed in. Transfer into your storage container, and yeah, that's it. If you do not have any of the oils that I used, or you just can't seem to find where to buy any of the oils, don't worry, you can use this Johnson's baby oil as an alternative. They are great on the skin, they're good for babies, they're good for adults, and you can easily find them in any store you walk into. So yeah, just pop in your essential oils and you're good to go. For the hydrating facial mist, pour in 1/4 cup of deionized water or still spring water in a mixing bowl. Then pour in 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice. You can use aloe vera gel if that's what you have. And then pour in 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 teaspoon of honey, and up to 5 drops of preservative, and then stir till everything is completely incorporated. Add up to 20 drops of any essential oils of your choice. Stir the mixture and then transfer into your container. Moving on to the lip scrub, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of argan oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and then up to 5 drops of essential oil and up to 2 drops of vitamin E oil. Mix everything together properly and then transfer into your storage container. Now that we're done making all the items, it's time to put together our gift basket. So guys, as you can see, everything to the left of the basket I made myself, and everything to the right I got from Poundland to jazz up our gift basket, and I also got the basket itself from Poundland. So everything was really affordable in the end. I got 2 hamper sets, and they contain paper strips, plastic wrap, and ribbons, and in the end I realized that 1 hamper set was more than enough, so you only need 1 of these. I placed the paper strips into the basket for height and to help balance my items in the basket. I got a bunch of label tags from Amazon for about £3, and it came with some raffia ropes that I used to attach the tags to the items. Then I went ahead and wrote all the names of the items stylishly on a plain sheet of paper, and then I glued it to the tags. First, I placed all the tall items in the basket, making sure that the tags were visible, and then I started placing the smaller items into the basket. I got this cute wine glass that says "Best Mom Ever," and I also got a white face towel and I stuck the towel into the glass, and that helped to make the write-up on the glass very visible. I also got this cute exfoliating pumice stone, and I thought it would add a nice touch to our spa themed gift basket. I also got this cute looking and sweet smelling scented candle to help set the mood while mom is relaxing in the bath, and then I got a bathing sponge as well. At this point, I'm just looking for the best position to put the items so that they don't look awkward in the basket. So I went ahead and placed the plastic wrap underneath the basket, and I wrapped the basket with it, and then I went ahead off camera to tie the wrap with the ribbon. I split the ribbon into tiny strips and used the scissors to pull on the strips to form a coily pattern. And finally, I went in with my scissors and trimmed the edge of the wrap to make it look even at the top. So guys, here is your beautiful gift basket that your mom will absolutely love. And guys, just to let you know, this gift basket is not limited to Mother's Day alone. You can totally give this to anyone on your birthday, on your anniversary, Valentine's Day, or any events. I'm just hammering on Mother's Day because it is just around the corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, if you love this video, go ahead and click on the like button and share this video with other people as well. And I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.